Natawagan ka na ba ng collections agent at nagtaka kung bakit? This video is in collaboration with CCAP or Credit Card Association of the Philippines. Don't worry, the collections department is a dedicated team who wants to reach out kasi they want to help resolve your concerns on your outstanding payments. Kaya importante na parating updated ang contact details natin sa bank. Ibigay ang current at updated contact number, mobile number, and email address but only to legitimate channels and authorized representatives of the bank. As part of the credit card service, they want to remind you na baka na-miss mo lang yung last month's statement. So they communicate to you through calls, emails, or SMS. The goal is always to be updated for you to achieve good credit standing. They are also your solutions partner. In times of financial difficulties, you need an expert to find creative solutions in negotiating efficient payment programs. Sila makakapagbigay sa iyo ng options of what will work best for you. They can act as your financial advisor. Pwede ka nila mabigyan ng tips on how to budget and recover from your financial credibility. Pwede mo rin silang tanungin ng ways to avoid card cancellation. They are benefits and services educator. They remind you about your card's perks and educate you paano mag-claim or redeem ng card's points while maintaining good credit standing. Remember this, collections is a service, and the agents are there not only to collect but to ensure you receive a positive and supportive experience sa pag-manage ng iyong finances. Avoid delinquencies and maintain a good credit standing through a collaborative way of finding solutions to your financial obligations. So next time makatanggap ka ng call from collections, take the opportunity and talk with your friendly financial experts to help you every step of the way. Follow CCAP social media accounts for more credit card updates and learnings.